So we at Animal Welfare do everything we can not to euthanize animals. Here's case in point. This right here is Tom, picked up, as you can see in the video coming up, for a police assist. They'd called the police out there because apparently Tom was aggressive. Tom. But Tom is missing all of his hair. Super sweet though, super sweet. Got some skin allergies and everything else, and just horribly just needs some help. So please, it's been given a cap star for its fleas and everything else, but we are doing everything we can to try to get this dog rescued out. Macon bibb Animal Welfare, we actually really do care. Look at you. Look at you. Yes. You're welcome. You scared of her? No, it's a he. You scared of him? I can't believe y'all called police for this. Ah. Come on, baby. We'll get you taken care of. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. He's a heavy one. She's okay. Yeah. Hey.